This life hack will relate to all of you. Number 1. By sticking a spring in the bottle cap and another bottle cap on top of it and pasting it behind the gate does not hit the wall. Number 2. If you do not have the Gaia making tool, in this way, you can make a design like goo with a spoon by making it with your hands. Number 3. Use this ABC formula to fold the t-shirt quickly. The t-shirt will fold immediately. Number 4. Wash the apple before eating because it is difficult to cut the apple with a knife like this. Look at how much dirt accumulates on it, so whenever you eat an apple, wash it before eating it. Number 5. To take out the pomegranate seeds, quickly take them out in water and the pomegranate seeds will come out immediately. Number 6. If this worm body of water gets stuck anywhere, then it will be easily removed by using this method. Number 7. Install this foldable tent cover to cover the vehicle so that the vehicle can be covered easily. Number 8. If water keeps spreading like this in the bathroom, so make a hole in the bottle and put it in the drain so that it does not spread.